ole tun tuma chuan pom kan zir le dona tun tuma kan zir tur hi chu A Tiger in the Zoo ani by Leslie Doris ania chu in course book mi tho ania chu in course book page number 94 ania lesson 7 ami khani A Tiger in the Zoo chu in le khabu kha in noin chop vek thowanga kha khalo keu ve ula A Tiger in the Zoo by Leslie Norris ani Leslie Norris hi ama hi Leslie Norris hi A Tiger in the Zoo phatu hi kum sang kha chakwa somni le pakhata pianga chuan sang ni le paruka aborala ama hi a poet ania kan shat theu angin tin chubaka zirtir tu po ania wel sami ania chuan ziak thiam le ziak tu ro pui tak ani chuan A Tiger in the Zoo hi soi tu ma chu aphwa tu hian sakei te hi an chen na mun tur an natural habitat chu ram hnoi ania masilangin mishing hian sahwana te mi ena achang chuan poisa siam nan te po anyang chu kan mang thina I heng hi kan tan chuan lim omin mu nom viau ma se an ma ni sakei te tan hi chuan a hre oma a chepa an nun po a chepa chung rela po hian an bom chunga an om hianin lung oi lo le thin rim in thup cheu hianin an om thina tin ma se ram hnuaia chuanin zalen takin nuam takin nun eng thol takin an om thina ni chu mi sakeya nun pani cage chunga om le ram hnuaia om akhai khinna ani a ram hnuaia om nuam ati ziate bom chunga om tot ati ziate changtina khan aron soifia don ani chuan A Tiger in the Zoo hi azavain kachiar chuak dona kachiar lai hian in le khabu kha lo en ula pom chiar dan dik koma a ka topem punctuation ka mang thaim full stop a engtiangin nge ka chol ti te tin athuk le a rhyme te khang ang zong kha a omem chung chu kan enanga kan chiar pa in a omzia chu thu ran nei seng a chiar dan dik thleng khan in lo en ve don ania kan chiarange A Tiger in the Zoo by Leslie Norris. He stalks in his vivid stripes the few steps of his cage on paths of velvet quiet in his quiet rage. He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass near the waterhole where plump deer pass. He should be snarling around houses at the jungle's edge, baring his white fangs, his claws, terrorizing the village. But he's locked in a concrete cell, his strength behind bars, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. He hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars, and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. Kaka apoim kan siar laya in lo sha tur ang le in lo ngai thak anga kha chu in ngai thakin in chin cha nge ka ringa ka ti ang po khan nang ma ni in lo chiar ve fo thin ula a chol huna kan chola a thuk san huna te kan thuk san hian kan thil chiar khan omzia ani a omzia kha a meaning a kha aron hai lang chiang ani punctuation kan mind a piang hian ti chuan he stalks in his vivid stripes ti kha stripes ti chu tial rang sakeza tial rang kha anita stalks kha chu avei velani chuan the few steps of his cage there few steps ingatinga steps claim te ati pen claim te ati achan chu a cage a bom sakei bom an khung na bom aka azima wangin a pen du zat po pen theilovin tikhan claim te chau pen khan ate kwal ani chuan on paths of velvet quiet ati kha chu an khami an dana bom chung kha khata khanin thil engemaw an pha ani chu an pha du ve deuh hlek ani chu in his quiet rage atiani rage chu thin rimania masi quiet chu re ani boxi a chumi omzia chu ama a khan in his quiet rage ati kha chuanin ama a khanin hei alema khan en ula quiet rage ati lai tak chu thung rila thin rim si du tok anga in sangmar thei si lo tang tlat si a khan thin rim in thup si kha quiet rage ati tani tikhan sake kha abar chunga khan tangin azitial moi taknen tlem te cho pen thei si in tikhan a omani sake kha chu tilai tak chu asoi chu ania chuan the tiger moves a few steps up and down in his cage. He moves slowly up and down in his cage. The stripes of his bodies are of strong bright color as you are seeing now in the picture. It has a very strong bright color, yellow and black color that is in stripe, and it is very beautiful. His body is very beautiful. And the tiger moved quietly on his velvety pad. He moves quietly on his velvety pad. But here it says in the last line, in quiet rage. So the quiet rage, why the poet is saying that the tiger is in quiet rage? Because he knows that he is helpless, so helpless in his cage. He cannot move around as he wanted. So with an angry moment inside, he is angry inside, but he did not show. So that is, he knows because he is helpless in his cage. In the second stanza, you see in the picture, in the second stanza, it says here, the poet says here that he should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass near the water hole where the plump deer pass. Satyani, near the water hole, he should be in the long grass, in the shadow of the long grass, sliding through the long grass. Atya chuan near the water pump hole an tuite halan chol te halaram noya an duang tok in tuite katyang kan an in ve anga cage chunga khachuan omlo ta se ram noya zalen takin om ta se water hole tui omna muna te khan tikhana omanga tuite atui hala chol hal huna ava inanga ti chuan long grass bula kan zalen takin ram noil ama omna mun ngei tura khatyang khan engthol takin alema kan huang hian anwak vel tur ani a chuan chuti anga wak vel pa chuan thim tham khoi malai ji nga te kha en ula deer in muanga khang te kha an chang thin ani khoi lai nim buk le lim kara te khang sajuk thau tak tak local te kha an lo chang tur ania acho an lo chang tur ani a ram hnoya chuan omta se atiani ti chuan adut lia khan third stanza khan tian asoilia he should be snarling around houses at the jungle's edge, baring his white fangs, his claws, terrorizing the village. But he's locked in a concrete cell. Atile tani ta chuan ram hnoya te chuan omta se eitur te sezuk thau tak te kha alo mu lo chang te po lo om khang tianga khan ram hnoya awak velanga chuan khoilai mun hlataka te mo akalanga ani lo chuanin thingtlang khoilai mor deu a te khomor deu dai fem deu ami te ho te ka angur thai velanga room thai velanga he should be snarling around atika snarl atika an room thai velanga ti chuan athalaka in muang khan ka ngau se takte chuanga atin a close atiani CLAWS kha atin akutin le katyang khanita khang hote ka an chwa velanga khang khanin an hamangan villagers hote ka an room thai vel tur ania ma se chung chu du in chak ma se chung chu ani dan tur po lo ni ma se atile ta ata khanin chang lina khan but he's locked in a concrete cell atitani chang lina atlar masbira khan a in shia ani concrete cell la khanin a tlat ani hetiang hian concrete sela hian a tlat ani ti kha in sia kha melpo lungai nu pin kha his strength behind bars satyani achak na zong zong kha bar thir bar pe na khanin a stalking the length of his cage, it is stalking to vei velatita a bar pe na khan kha cement concrete bar pe na khanin a tlat me si a ti chuan a ti ngai na shelawa ave ruk mai ni sake ka stalking the length of his cage ti chu atopa tangin atira ti khan ave nuk meya ignoring visitors ka malamaron hoi me alo ka ignore ti chu haidera ti ta visitors ati chu zuwaron kal ho te kha ron en thatu te kha ignoring visitors ati lai kha chu alo ni ta ani chuan ta hianin aril ruwa hianin ati tur ang le ani dan tur ang a lo hi lungai mel ve tak ani tikhan kha a dan kha in mu ang atro chuan a last stanza a khanin ti han lo soi le ta in the last stanza. Look at the last stanza. He hears the last voice at night atani. Last voice at night. What could be the last voice at night in the zoo? That means that those of the zookeeper with the car and also the police with the car khangka petroling car satya petrol kanti angkha chu he enge thil thalote omem ti azana mudona enfil tute pokha anyang kha mi te kha anthom ri le anchong ri kha last voice asha chu anita chuna a visitors ho tong ri kha baka khan ti khan atong nung ber mudhun do na tong nung ber ho te chu alo sheta a. Even at night, he remains disturbed due to the noise of the patrolling. Chuna Khan, during daytime, he has been so much disturbed by the noise of the people, the talks of the people, shouting, children shouting, people shouting, and look at them. Kang ho kanin ati boy em to a. Atsan chu a na tur mun dik taka chuan mishing tong ri kha a shengai thin tur anilawa. Tlang puin mase zuwa chuan a na tur ang low noise pollution kha atam lu to kani chu wangin zana thleng po khan ti boy ani nakha alung oilo viau ani chuan ta hianin lung oi si lo ti thei ngai na si lo chuan a hoi vung mai ni. He hears the last voice at night, the cars patrolling. He was looking at the cars patrolling chuan and stares with his brilliant eyes ati hi chu amit meng moi le ro pui takha khai hi huaisen mit meng stable tak me in a clear vung me ni brilliant eyes khan chuan ti tura she lo clear tura she lo khang ho patrolling cars ho athlir antong ho te athlir ba ka khan van lam a hoya ti chuan and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars satyani arsi te chu athlir ta vung athlir ta vau ringot me yani chu he tiger in the zoo a asoi tumber achu ani a heta hianin stalking ti le vivid ti le lurking ti le snarling ti kha difficult words zirtur word thar zirtur ron soi chu ani a vivid kan ti kha chu bright color atya kami vivid word ka bright color ka sakei ziarang trial moi tak ron soinan kan amanga tin sap tong thumal hi kan man na azrin meaning hi adang lam ve lekani ti po kha shat tur ani a lurking atilia to wait someone secretly atia chumi omzia chu lurking ti aman na kha chu ramhnoya chuan omsela sajuk thau takha alo chang tur ani arukin tute emo aru ka lo ngak kha lurking chang ti nan khan amang ta ni kha chu chuan snarling atilia omzia chu in ngur kan ti meng chu in room thai khang ang ei tur te asapel te afu achan fu lo chang chuan khodai fame ami te angur kwal tinan amang ta ni snarling chu hei shok ka tanga ri sham shok ri khami ang ron ri chwa kha sake ya chuan ani me yang chu chuan stalking khat chu hei kal satlia ani lowa ma se pen satlia ani lowin cage chunga stalking aman na hi chu chung rila hei ayan na sayan ram hnuaya chuan ka khosa thei ani ti in sherur si in ma se a thei anga in lenga in sangmar thei chuang si lova cage chunga khate anga achang atanga ril ruat hei aya thei hi ka ne ni ti chung sia ti thei chuang si lova kal hmut me angkha stocking atan chuanin word atan chuan aron mang ta ni chuan hepo ma tang hian raima le ta chu first stanza a khan cage le rage kha cage le rage cage rage aron mangani a second line le a last line a khan first stanza chuan adut le a man le chu grass le pass aron mang le tani grass tu kan sia a pass grass pass cage rage to in ang vek chumo ato patlar to pari ka rhyme kan ti ka mizo a tipo kan o mizo hla phwa tipo kan or ani chuan a third stanza a kha chuan h le village khani tani village h village ani lawa village le h kha lo ni le ta ani chu a rhyme word pani khan ni le ta a tin last stanza akhan patrolling cars le at the brilliant stars cars le stars kha a rhyme word chu alone le tani khang te kha ti hla tu te hla ti hlu tu te anni a soidan ngai reng si ma se a rhyme word anron man the ni hi a phwa tu te mi bi kan ni na le an thiam na ani chin ani chu he po ma hianin zona le a to pa khan in le khabu khan en ula page 95 fa khan learn to appreciate the poem atani appreciate ti zia chu ngai hlu he poem hi in ngai hlu ang ngai hlu ti zirang ati na ni zo ni chang ro ti satlia lowanya he hi chu hla ania hla thu ania ma zonga kan ron soi anga te po khan prose tele literature te angkha ani lo ani he hi chu adang ani kan approach po adang ani ta khan a na khan number 1 a khan the image in the second stanza of the poem is that of a tiger atia ta khan achan na pali ron pe a ta khan adik in ti ber a image akha second stanza akhan tiger image akha khoi khange tika ania the phrase the few steps of his cage suggests that the number b na kan a few steps of his cage tika eng ber hinge asoi 1 2 3 4 alo omleta chuan sia khan in the last two lines of the poem the poet suggests that the tiger feels the last two stanza khan a poet hian sakai ril ru kha eng ang hin ber hinge ni ai shiat atia ta khan pali aron pelia tin chuba ka kha number 2 na te po khan nang mani a in ti ve theidur sakai hi captivity ram noya omta se bar chunga omta se eng khange ami zia tur ni ang ti kha in han elebia khan kalam elebia khan in nang mani in kanzir to tang khan in tianga chuan number 3 ak po khan read the lines from the poem and answer the questions that follow he should be lurking in the shadow atia khata khan in soizo manga in khamizo na tang khan zo na paniron pe akata tang khan in changang chuan adut na po khan stalking the length of his cage ignoring visitors atika tu te khange visitors tu ti te zo na oma heta hian length of the cage ti hi enga soina nge ti te kha aloni ta ni kha tiger in the zoo chu ani a heta aziak tu ina min shil tum bere chu atir bera khan karon soi to kha apoimo a kan soi non le anga ransa te kan hum hala nasa to atu na chuan ama ro chu hetianga kan ti hian kan hlimna le nuam kan ti ne le no pangten eng ang nge eng ang ransa nge kan ne mi shingten eng ang ransa nge kan ne eng ang nge kan rama ti te zong kan shiat na ani rual hian ale lama chuan aram sa te kan khungbet te zo ka hian anni na ang tur anni lawa ti chep le nek chep pinan oma she oman ti ma an omna tur mun an natural habitat hi an omna tur mun zalen taka an omte hi an zalen na ani ti te po arun tar lang tel do ni ole khati zong kha tun tuma kan zir ho thei chu ani e kalome